Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to copy or move the emails from one Outlook account to another in 2026. Now this is helpful when you are changing the jobs or switching the accounts or creating a full backup. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to make sure that both the email accounts are added to the same Outlook app. So you need to open Outlook and confirm that you can see both the inboxes in the left hand side. Now, in order to copy the emails, you just have to first of all open the inbox of the first email. Then you just have to select the email or the multiple emails by holding the control and clicking on each of these emails. After that, you just have to drag and drop them into the inbox and the folder of the second account, and Outlook is going to copy them while keeping the originals. Now, to move the emails instead of copying, you just have to select the email, then simply right click on it. Here, simply choose the option of move, then pick the destination folder under the second account. After that, the email will be shifted completely to the new mailbox. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.